Say what's up, little babies. What's up, little babies? So it's one half of Taz and Linda, and I'm Linda. Me and Mello got up early this morning. He gave me time to get ready. He's ready. And we just got a package. Hello. Hello. We just got a package from the from Amazon, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. And we're also gonna talk about my pregnancy update, which is why Taj is not in this video. I was thinking about putting these videos on our other page, which is called Being Andersons. So you guys let me know and go subscribe if you're not subscribed. Yeah, good morning, and we're gonna talk about my pregnancy update. I am currently 23 weeks pregnant, 17 more weeks left. I'm so excited. December could not be any closer. Anyways, as you can see, he's very occupied. So I'm trying to figure out, should I do the update first or the unboxing? And I also kind of wanted to go over like pregnancy, like tracking to get pregnant, like your ovulation and all of that. I wanted to talk about that because a lot of people has been asking about that. Because with Mello, we inseminated once, and with baby girl, we inseminated about 5 to 6 times the whole week because I had a high LH the whole ovulation period. I got my first positive, like pretty much we inseminated the whole week because I got my first positive like super early. I got it like on cycle day 11. So 7 days later, it was on cycle day 7. So 7 days later. Like I was saying, 7 days later. And then right after that, I was having positive LH the whole time, like super dark positive, but every day it would get darker, which is why we contacted the donor more than once. Now we're gonna go more into detail in another video, but I just wanted to go over pretty much my part, which was the tracking and everything. We tried to do it about 3 months before, and it didn't work. We only inseminated once for those times. And I also think my ovulation was not on those days because when I waited and inseminated every day, I found out that I ovulated super late instead of ovulating cycle day 14, which is exactly 14 days after your period. I actually ovulated cycle day 16. No, cycle day 18, I ovulated. So that was pretty far off. But we caught it because I did temp test. I recommended you guys temp, which is do your temperature in the morning, orally or vaginally, whichever one you decide. And if you want more information on temping, like if you would like to incorporate that in your pregnancy or TTC journey, let me know. I'll do like a separate video on that, on how I was temping the whole time. It was pretty... I'm mad I did it late, but at the same time, I learned more later on. But anyway, so let's talk about pregnancy updates. Let's talk about the update. So I'm 23 weeks. Our last visit was an ultrasound at 20 weeks at my anatomy scan. And they could not find my cervix or the umbilical cord, okay? Mind you, that's very important in an anatomy scan. So I'm actually going back now for my 24 weeks appointment, and I'm gonna go get my ultrasound again because we just want to rule out anything that could potentially be a problem. So, but everything about baby girl looks great. Everything looks absolutely normal except the fact that they could not see it. Now, I don't know if it's because technically they told me to come in with a full bladder and I did not. So maybe that's why, but I'm not too worried and I'm not trying to get myself worried about it at all. So I'm going for a second ultrasound. I'll keep you guys updated about that. So that was at my 20 weeks appointment. Everything else looks great. We also did some other tests that everything else came back normal. As far as like symptoms at my 20 weeks, symptoms and stuff, I would say that I am more active now. I'm more active, meaning I can do more with Mello. Like, he's so active and I can do a whole lot more with him now. I just feel like now I'm more like in a nesting phase. Like, I just want to get things done before she's here, even though she's not even close. But 20 weeks for me feels normal. Like, I feel like she moves around a lot. but like, oh my gosh, she moves around so much compared to Mello. And that's another thing. My anatomy scan told me that my placenta is actually posterior, which is pretty awesome because Mello owned was anterior, which means it was more towards the front of my stomach, and baby girl owned is towards the back of my stomach. And I feel like that plays a big part in how my belly looks, because now I feel like my belly looks cuter than my belly before. I felt like my belly looked like a lump like before, because I felt like maybe the placenta did it. I don't know. I'm just thinking all these things. I feel like my belly is cuter this time around, but then again, they say boys carry different from girls, so maybe that's why. So the whole placenta thing is because with Mello, I felt him move, but I never really felt him kick, or like Taddy wouldn't really like feel Mello's kick and stuff. So like we would have to like really like pay attention. Like it took a really long time before you can really feel Mello's kicks. And even when he was like closer, I never got one of those kicks where it's like you really like see it. It was just like, oh, okay, it happened. But with her, I feel like she's just kicking me all day long and trying to get out. And I can't wait to get a really good video of it so I can show you guys. I don't know if she hates loud noises, but every time we get loud, that's when she wakes up. She gets excited. I need to go do my hair. I actually did it and then I tied my hair down, but I need to go do my hair. Pregnancy was totally different, guys. Like, this girl pregnancy was totally different. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get everything that everybody talked about, like all of the crazy stuff, but I did lose so much weight. Like, I lost a lot of weight in the first trimester. At my second trimester appointment, I gained 7 pounds back. Even though I technically gained more, they're not counting that because I technically lost weight. So they're gonna count from not the weight loss, they're gonna count from the pre-weight. Yeah, you get what I mean. The pre-weight on. So I only gained about 7. But if they counted from the weight loss weight, I would technically have gained like 18 pounds. So this is the box. And I wanted to wait to open it for you guys because I actually got one of these before, so I don't know if it's gonna be exactly the same product. So I'm really excited to know if it's the same product. So here we go. My stomach. I'm gonna show you guys after because I'm excited to open this and I want to open it now. So it comes with a bag. So it is different from the first time. The first time was a box that I just opened like that, and it kind of had like wrapping paper like this in it. But this bag is pretty cute. I like the colors. Very nice. Oh, I've been thinking about getting these bottles, but they're plastic. And I've been thinking about getting them, so this is so freaking cute. Because, you know, Mello has old bottles, so I was just going to go ahead and switch out the nipples and use his bottles. But I was really thinking about using these bottles. What is it called? MAM, Easy Start, M-A-M. Yes, I really wanted to use these bottles. Let me open it. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy right now. I mean, at least I got one. Then I need some tough paper. Anyway, so yeah, I wanted to buy these, but I don't know. Because like I said, we have bottles. But this is what it looks like. So freaking cute, right? Comes with a baby Bessie. Look at that. I'm so happy right now. If you look really close, it looks like it sparkles. This is so cool. I can't wait to show Toddy. Oh my goodness, I love it. I want to get these so bad. They're so cute. And they do come in different colors. There's, what is this? Some diapers. This is some Huggies sample diapers. Let's see what they look like. I figured I'd open it since I'm doing an unboxing anyway. You're so cute. Baby. A draft sample. I don't use this. A Vino sample. We do use a Vino on Mellow Skin. because he do have very bad, like dry skin, and his skin will break out very easily. So we do have that for him. So I hope we do use the baby. We use the baby Magic too, which I love the smell of. So sometimes I mix them. So this is cool. We can test it on the baby. Okay, so then we got a Carter's. Come here. Want Baba? You don't drink out of Baba. You don't drink out no Baba. So it has a Carter's onesie. I'm gonna open it. Super cute. 3 to 6 months, perfect size. So cute. And all of this is free, guys. That's so cool, right? We have that. I've never used these wipes before. I hope you guys can see me because Melo did turn the camera. I never used these wipes before. So really excited that we have samples of them so we could use them. It's called 7th generation, free and clear. And then there's a couple of other samples. Destin, we have used Destin before, really like it. Another sample called Walida, and it's a shampoo and body wash. So this is pretty cool. And the last thing it came with was a swaddle blanket. The last time I did get a swaddle blanket. And honestly, the last one we got was actually a little nicer than this one, except I didn't get a onesie. So this one is still pretty awesome. So you guys, if you're pregnant, make sure you do an Amazon registry. And if somebody buys you something for $10 or if you buy something, they'll send you one of these for free, which is pretty cool. I like it. I like the swaddler. We got one with Melo and it's almost exactly the same. And then I'm also gonna let you see the inside of the box of the bag. Melo took the other bottle. Look at him. What you doing? Give me back the bottle. Give me the bottle. So this is inside of it. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. I love it. Give my baba. Give me my bottle. His room is a mess, but we were just playing in here. I'm gonna put this to the side. I always have to keep him a little busy before I do stuff. Alright. And I really hope you guys see my full stomach. I think my belly is so cute. And if you're pregnant, comment below. Tell me some pregnancy symptoms that you had especially if it's your second pregnancy. This pregnancy, like I said, was not the worst, but it was not as great as Melo's. Okay guys, so bad news, my camera's running out of space. Ugh, I need to get a new camera ASAP. I cannot wait. And it's also dying. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. If you have any questions about my pregnancy or any questions at all as far as TTC, make sure you comment down below and let me know. And I'll do a Q&A for you guys. Come here. Come here. Look at him. Come here. I'm tired. I'm tired, everybody. I'm tired. Yeah, say hi. Say hello. Yeah, he's over me.